Video will go over 5 Python interview questions. I have compiled this list from the internet. So we'll go over all these questions. Some belong to the coding category, some belong to the theory category. I will not give the answers in this video because I want you to go over these questions first, try to solve them, and then in the next video I will give you the solution. So let's get started. So question number 1 is a coding question. Given a list of numbers and a number, find two numbers in the list that sum up to the given number. If no such combination exists, output should be none. So this was asked in Facebook interview for Python. So very simple example can be, you have a list like 1 2 3 4 and a number like 7. So in this case you have to find two numbers in the list which sum up to 7, right? So here 3 and 4 can be the answer. So if there is no such combination exists, then none should be printed. So you have to write a small code which sort of finds that combination in the list for the given number and prints. So this is one coding question. Question number 2, again a coding question. In a list where all numbers repeat thrice, there is one of which only repeats twice. Find this number. So this was asked in a Python interview by Goldman Sachs. Sample list can be like 1 2 2 1 2 1 2 2 3 3, and here you see 1 repeats thrice, 2 repeats thrice, but 3 only repeats twice, right? So the answer will be 3. So you have to write a simple program, a Python program, to solve this. Okay, next, this is more theoretical question which was asked in an interview by Sama Technologies. When you should use a list and when you should use a tuple, right? So list can be used to store data, tuples can be used to store data. Very simple question. When should you use which one, right? You have to give explanation, scenarios, maybe type of data, or whatever different operations if you want to do with the data. Everything you have to give. Right, moving on. Question number 4, how is copy different from assignment operator? What is the difference between shallow and deep copy? Again by Sama Technologies. So in Python, to assign value to a variable, we just do a equal to b, right? But there is something called copy also. So we can also do a equal to b dot copy. And further, there is something called deep copy also, where a equal to copy dot deep copy of b, right? So what is the difference between all the three that you have to explain? So it's like a two-part question. What is different between like a equal to b and a equal to b dot copy, and then b dot copy and copy dot deep copy? Again, you have to give explanation and scenarios. So whenever a theoretical question comes, you have to clearly list out the examples which show how which scenario suits which. And the final question, what is difference between iterators and generators? So Python has concept of iterators, Python has concept of generators. What is the difference between the two? You have to give examples and then also tell which scenarios are suited for which. So yeah, this is it. There are 5 questions which are there in this sort of interview uh, list, and you try to go over them yourself, try to answer them, and then in the next video I will give you the solution. Also, to the link of these questions I will put in the description, so you can try on your own. Any comment if you have, please leave in the comment section. Okay, thanks a lot.